We're going to do a quick exercise that will help you to regulate your nervous system, and this you can do anywhere. So what you're going to do is just notice your feet on the floor. And if they're not on the floor, just notice where they are. Notice where your feet are. And then notice the surface that you're sitting on. If you're leaning back on something, notice where your back is touching that surface. Good. And then just look around the room. Notice where the corners are. Look at all the corners. Notice where the walls are. Notice where the windows are and where the doors are in relation to you. Good. And now, just noticing where you are in relationship to everything around you, just notice that in this moment you are perfectly safe. And sometimes it's even helpful to tell yourself that you're here and you're safe. You can almost feel like your shoulders drop when you do that. Because just like the stoplight with the red, yellow, and green, when we're in that activated yellow state, just like coming up on a stoplight, when the light is yellow, we're looking around, we're alert, we're more alert. Excuse me. So we're looking to see, is there a car coming? Am I safe? Do I have time to make the light, or do I need to stop? And that's how we feel when we are in that activated state. We become more alert of our surroundings, and we're looking to check, are we safe? Can we proceed? Do we need to stop? Do we need to take action? And sometimes we do that on an unconscious level, and we don't need to. So we might just be sitting at our desk at work, or even just sitting in our house and feeling that vigilant state, that activated state of checking our surroundings. So taking a minute and actually looking at your surroundings, just noticing where they are in relationship to you and reminding yourself that you're here and you're safe can help you regulate your nervous system in real time. So good job. Thanks for doing that with me.